Well done for your goals on Friday night. Can you just talk us through them?
Do you want me to go first?
Yeah, go on.
Well, to be honest, it was the last kick of the game.
Yeah.
I knew that was the case. And I think just before that, I actually said to Rye, if this bobbles out, then I'm going to put my foot through it. And I think 9 times out of 10 they could go in the car park. But luckily on this occasion, I caught it sweet and hit the back of the net.
It's a great shot. The fans went mad. Was it good scoring in front of the fans there?
Yeah, it's always great. They obviously could hear them all the way through the game. Kept us going right to the death. And it was nice to give them a reward at the end of the game.
Yeah, and Matty, your goal, first competitive goal for the club.
Yeah, it's always nice to get on the score sheet anyway, but you know, in a game like that, first game of the season, on your debut, and especially in front of them fans as well, fans are unreal.
Yeah.
So to get a goal like that, especially in a game like that as well, you know, Llandudno will be up there us this year, so you know,
Well done.
It's always nice.
I thought you and Dylan first half did really well down the wings. You'll scare a few teams this season.
I hope so.
Now, and on to Flint next week. Are you looking forward to that game?
Yeah, it's games like this you want to be competing in, you know, league above, and it's time to put a statement out there. You know, we want to be up there competing with them, you know, hopefully next year. So
I agree. It's a good chance to put a statement out. We played them pre-season, so we've seen them a bit, but I'm sure they'll have brought a few other players in, and we're looking forward to it and a good chance to make a statement, like we said.
That's great. Thank you. Thanks for your time.